Hey everyone, today we're comparing the three most popular IPTV players, TiviMate, IPTV Smarters Pro, and OTT Navigator. They all let you watch live TV from your IPTV service, but which one should you actually use? Let's break down the differences and find the best one for you. First, let's be clear about what these are. None of these apps give you TV channels for free. They're just players. Think of them like Netflix apps, but you bring your own content. You need an IPTV subscription from a provider, then use these apps to watch. TiviMate is the cleanest and most polished, built for Android TV and Fire Stick. IPTV Smarters Pro works on everything: Android, iOS, Fire Stick, smart TVs, you name it. OTT Navigator is for most people who love to tweak and customize every little thing. How easy are they to set up? Well, IPTV Smarters Pro wins here by far. Install it, enter your login from your IPTV provider, and you're watching in minutes. It works the same across all devices. TiviMate is pretty easy too, but only on Android devices. You add your M3U playlist or login details, and it handles the rest. Interface is super clean and fast. OTTV Navigator takes more work, lots of setting filters, and customization options. If you like spending time tweaking things to be perfect, you'll love it. If you just want to watch TV quickly, it might frustrate you. Let's talk money. IPTV Smarters Pro is completely free. Yes, the free version has some ads, but you get most features without paying anything. That's huge. OTT Navigator is also free, no subscription needed. You get everything without paying a cent, but some features feel unfinished or buggy. TVMate has a free version, but it's limited. To unlock the good stuff like multi-screen viewing, recording, and full features, you need TVMate Premium. That costs $12 per year or $34 for lifetime. Most people who try TVMate end up paying because the free version feels incomplete. What about device support? Well, this is where IPTV Smarters Pro destroys the competition. It works on Android, iOS, Fire Stick, Windows, Mac, Samsung TVs, LG TVs, everything. If you have multiple different devices, Smarters is your only real choice. TVMate only works on Android, Fire Stick, Android TV, Android phones. No iOS, no smart TVs unless they run Android. OTT Navigator is also Android only, Fire Stick and Android devices. If you use Apple products or non-Android smart TVs, these won't work for you. So, which is best? Choose IPTV Smarters Pro if you want free, it works everywhere and just gets the job done without fuss. Choose TVMate Premium if you're on Android, don't mind paying $12 a year, and want the absolute best interface and features. Choose OTT Navigator if you're a power user who loves endless customization and tweaking. For most people, start with IPTV Smarters Pro. It's free and works on everything. Thanks for watching, guys.